Welcome back to the Bookkeeper. Right now, as you're watching this video, pause for a second and ask yourself, how focused do you actually feel on a typical day? How often does your mind wander? How many times have you picked up your phone without any real reason in the last few hours? If you're like most people, the honest answer is probably not very focused at all. And here's the important truth. It's not your fault. In Stolen Focus, Johann Hari presents a powerful, thoroughly researched investigation into why our ability to pay attention has collapsed in the modern world. This book is not about shaming you for being distracted. It's about showing you the systemic forces that have been deliberately designed to steal your attention. And, more importantly, how you can start taking it back. If you've ever felt mentally exhausted, unable to finish what you start, constantly scattered, or worried that your brain just doesn't work as well as it used to, this summary is going to resonate deeply with you. Let's explore the key ideas in detail. The attention crisis is worse than you think. Johann Hari starts with hard data that is both shocking and validating. The average person now switches tasks on their devices every 47 seconds. Deep, sustained focus, the kind required for creative work, complex problem-solving, or even meaningful conversations, has become extremely rare. We are living through the biggest crisis of attention in human history. The consequences are massive: skyrocketing rates of anxiety and depression, declining academic performance in children and teenagers, increased burnout among adults, and a widespread feeling that we're losing our ability to think clearly and live intentionally. This is not a personal failing. It is the predictable result of a world specifically engineered to fragment our attention for profit. How Big Tech Engineered Addiction. One of the most eye-opening sections of the book is Hari's deep dive into how social media platforms and tech companies deliberately design their products to be addictive. They use sophisticated psychological tricks, variable rewards, the same mechanism that makes gambling addictive, infinite scrolling that removes natural stopping cues, personalized dopamine hits tailored to keep you hooked longer, notifications that create artificial urgency. These platforms aren't neutral tools, they are attention merchants. Your time, focus, and mental energy are the product being sold to advertisers. The longer you stay scrolling, the more money they make. Hari argues that this is not a minor inconvenience. It is a form of environmental pollution for the mind, comparable to how industrial pollution affected physical health in the 20th century. The hidden factors destroying our focus. Beyond screens, Hari uncovers several other major culprits that most people don't talk about. Diet and blood sugar. Ultra-processed foods and constant sugar spikes cause energy crashes that directly impair concentration and emotional regulation. Sleep deprivation. Even mild sleep loss severely damages working memory, emotional control, and the ability to focus. In our always-on culture, quality sleep has become rare. Constant multitasking. Our brains were not designed to handle multiple streams of information simultaneously. Every time we switch tasks, there is a cognitive cost. Over time, this fragments our thinking and makes deep work almost impossible. Environmental noise and overstimulation, constant background noise, notifications, and information overload keep our nervous system in a low-level fight-or-flight state, making calm, focused attention extremely difficult. The loss of flow states. We have replaced deep, immersive, single-task work with shallow, fragmented activity. This loss of flow states is one of the biggest reasons people feel unfulfilled and mentally drained. Practical ways to reclaim your focus. the most valuable part of stolen focus is that it doesn't stop at diagnosis. It offers real, actionable solutions. Key strategies and takeaways. Protect your attention like it's your most valuable asset. Treat focus as your most precious resource. Create sacred focus blocks in your schedule where you turn off all notifications and work on one thing only. Reclaim your morning. One of Hari's strongest recommendations is to avoid your phone for the first 1 to 2 hours after waking. Use this time for deep thinking, journaling, exercise, or reading. How you start your day sets the tone for your attention. Practice ruthless single-tasking. Train yourself to do one thing at a time. When you feel the urge to switch tasks or check your phone, notice the impulse and gently return to what you were doing. This builds your attention muscle. Digital minimalism. Aggressively reduce your social media and app usage. Delete apps from your phone, use grayscale mode, set strict time limits, or even take periodic digital detoxes. Spend more time in nature. Regular time in natural environments has been scientifically shown to restore directed attention and reduce mental fatigue. Fix the foundations. Prioritize high-quality sleep. Eat real whole foods and move your body regularly. These basic biological needs have an enormous impact on your ability to focus. A message of realistic hope. Johann Hari ends the book on a note of cautious but genuine hope. While the forces stealing our focus are powerful and well-funded, we are not powerless. By making conscious individual choices and eventually pushing for systemic changes, we can reclaim our attention and, with it, our ability to live meaningful, creative, and deeply fulfilling lives. Your focus is not just a personal productivity issue, it is the foundation of a meaningful life. If this summary helped you understand why you've been struggling with focus and inspired you to start reclaiming it, hit like right now. Subscribe to the Bookkeeper and turn on notifications so you never miss summaries that can genuinely improve the quality of your life. Now I want to hear from you in the comments. What is one specific change you're going to make this week to protect and reclaim your focus? Share it below. Let's support each other and start taking our attention back. Thank you for watching. Remember, your focus is one of the most valuable things you possess. Protect it fiercely. I'll see you in the next video.